Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm Nathan, part of the team here at Vesper, and I want to show you how Vesper for Excel brings our live market data straight into the tool you use every day. If you're like most teams, you spend hours copying, pasting, and cleaning data before you can even start your analysis. And the moment you finished, prices have already moved. That's why we built Vesper for Excel. Our data in your workflow without the manual work. Getting started is simple. Download the add-in from the Microsoft Excel Marketplace. Connect to Vesper and choose the data you need, such as prices, forecasts, trade flows, stock levels, and more. From there, you're in control. Link the data to your models, dashboards, or cost sheets and refresh it all with a single click. Say you want to benchmark your contracts against the market. You can pull in Vesper's independent price benchmarks and instantly see if you're overpaying or a spot where there's room to negotiate. Procurement teams can track performance in real time. Finance can keep margin models up to date, and analysts can run scenarios without worrying about stale data. No more manual entry, no more outdated numbers, just one live connection between Vesper and Excel so your models always reflect today's market. Start using Vesper for Excel today.